Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chicken and cheese rolls. Let's know the ingredients. You'll need some boneless chicken, some Parmesan cheese, salt, black pepper, chili flakes and some cheese slices. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of flour mixed with 1 tablespoon of water and some spring roll sheets. First of all, we will cut the cheese into strips. Then prepare the chicken by cutting it into pieces. I've covered the chicken in plastic wrap. Then using the flat surface of the meat tenderizer, I'm pounding the chicken to make thin slices. I'm going to show you 2 ways to roll them. For the first one, cut the sheet into long strips of approximate 2 inches. Now take a small square piece of chicken, season it with salt and pepper. And a hint of red chili flakes. Add some shredded Parmesan and top it with a cheese strip. Now roll it vertically. Now apply some flour mixture on both the corners. To assemble these, place the chicken at one corner at an angle and start rolling it till you reach the top. Our website has been updated for the detailed recipes. Don't forget to visit and let us know how you find it in the comments below. You can find the link in the description box below. For the other way, you need to cut the sheets into squares. Take one square, place the chicken, season it with salt, pepper and red chili flakes. Top it with Parmesan and a slice of cheese. Apply some flour mixture. And then start rolling from one end. Now deep fry these on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are done, take them out and serve. If you like the recipe, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.